I started working at my office. I immediately got hired, much like graduation के बाद, at a media agency. It was a multinational. The profile of the company was so magnificent that you could understand कि आप यहाँ पे globally grow कर सकते हैं. And by now I was, getting somewhere. I had found my place. My department members knew what I'm capable of. So that's where I started getting big projects, and there's this ice cream brand which was being launched in Karachi. I was trusted to represent my department in that sector. Alhamdulillah, that went really well. At the same time, that's the funny bit. Back end पे मैं तो इस किस्म की किसी चीज़ की feasibility करके बैठा हुआ था. मेरा एक partner है, he just joined my office. So what happened was he got to know whatever I'm doing. So he told me if you're doing all of this, then one of his friends, Rehan उनका नाम है, is already in a deal with Zabist, and they are planning to revamp the cafeteria, take up the canteen. When I talked about my resignation, people thought that it might have different reasons to it, but the only reason was that I thought there could be a better life. But I was telling everybody कि मैं करूँगा. I did not have this thing in hand, and that's where people had this confused look in their faces. Half of them were really confused. Half of them were saying that, okay, there is another Goner case. We're going to come back in 6 months crying कि भाई नहीं हुआ, आप वापस हायर कर लें. In my family there is no businessman, never been, left, right, never. So I had a double the problem because I had to convince them from scratch. Problem ये होता था कि जब भी कोई family gathering बैठती थी and they would ask कि हाँ बच्चे आप क्या कर रहे हैं, normal question, और बेटा आप क्या कर रहे हैं, and I would get confused, what should I tell them? I can't tell them that I'm working at Falana office because I'm no more, and I can't tell them I'm working at a canteen because that instantly started off a new debate. अच्छा तो ये फलाना मगर.
My first reaction was a surprise because I thought it is too early to get into such a job, which is really challenging. But I was really happy that he thought that way, that he has the mettle to be proved, and he did so. I do not know that what really he is doing, but the way he has been telling me that the return which he is getting and the challenges which he is coping, that means that he is negotiating whatever challenges he is seeing across, and he is proving his mettle and he is doing good.